What other empty words are left to say? It's not like we've never been hurt this way. If we won't turn back, at least be brave. Admitting broken promises isn't shame. Don't hide behind the things we've lost. Love has always come with cost. Don't say we've never loved before. Don't say we never made mistakes. Love's a train that rides forevermore, through guilt that never fades away. Don't say the scars don't show the pain. Don't say the hurt was all in vain. Memories are just a dream we borrow, even through pain. Don't say we never loved. If we won't turn back, still don't retreat. Admitting truth won't mean defeat. Promises unkept, hearts left sore, but silence won't heal anymore. Don't say we've never loved before. Don't say we never made mistakes. Love's a train that rides forevermore, through guilt that never fades away. Don't say that scars don't show the pain. Don't say the hurt was all in vain. Memories are just a dream we borrow, even through pain. Just a dream we never made. Even if time turns love to shadows, even if distance feels like miles to go, our hearts remember soft and low. Every goodbye still whispers hello. Don't say we never ever. Don't say we never made mistakes. Love's a train that rides forevermore, through guilt that never fades away. Don't say the scars don't show the pain. Don't say the hurt was all in vain. Memories are just a dream we borrow, no matter how it hurts. Don't say we never loved. No matter how it hurts, don't say we never